We would like to acknowledge your presence. And now at this point, indeed today marks a new milestone for MUPH Muntinlupa. And we are grateful for everyone's support. So now it's time to hear from the woman who's leading this exciting journey. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Miss Anna Magkawas.
Hindi naman ako prepared dito. But anyways, thank you so much for everyone na andito po ngayon sa atin to witness the sashing of Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa City. And it's my first time actually to become a local director of this kind of pageant. And we will do our very best, of course, to support our candidate. And the advocacy, syempre, yung pinopromote, yun naman yung pinakamahalaga, di ba? Kung supportahan natin, ano ba yung advocacy na gusto nating i-spread sa mga tao, kung paano ba yung kandidata natin ay mas makaka-inspire. Women empower women, and of course, to inspire all the Filipinas out there na kahit na nasaan ka man, kahit na may anak ka na, pwede pa rin. So, let's all welcome. Ako ba mag-a-announce? Wait daw. Ay, hindi daw ako. So, yun lang po. Again.
Kinakabahan kami.
Kinabahan din ako. So, thank you so much and laban.
Let's give her a round of applause once again. Thank you, Ma'am Anna Magkawas. I think everyone's excited, of course, to meet the highlight of this event. But before that, we would like to also acknowledge Genesis Zamora, Mary Cruz, Neil Giban, Kat Giban from Zion, Philippines. Palamakan naman po natin sila. Thank you for joining our event this afternoon. And also Will Villaruel and Boncheo Exconde from GMA Sparkle. Thank you once again, Ms. Anna Magkawas, for your inspiring words. And now it's time to turn the spotlight to the star of today's ceremony, our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa candidate. Let's give her a warm welcome as she makes her grand entrance. Once again, let's witness her tornado walks.
Teresita said, Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us all cheer for our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. A big hand for Teresita Sen, Winwin Marquez. Again, please do not forget to use our official hashtag LuxuriousWin for the crown and Win for the crown. You may now take your seat, Miss Winwin, because at this point you will be joined, of course, by our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa local director, Ms. Anna Magkawas, Miss Universe Philippines Vice President for Global and National Search, Ms. Max Que, Miss Universe Philippines Director for Asia Pacific and Local Search, Mr. Arnold Mercado. And now, we will now officiate the sashing ceremony of our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa candidate. And also, we would like to invite Sir Paulo Arevalo from Miss Universe Philippines to join the sashing ceremony. There you have it. Now let's take some photos before we officially sash Miss Winwin Marquez. Again, please do not forget to use our official hashtag Luxurious Win for the Crown and hashtag Win for the Crown. Of course, with WYN. And now we will do the sashing ceremony. There you have it. To be led by Miss Anna Macawas. Okay, photo up. The sash first. Again, let's use our official hashtag Luxurious Win for the Crown and hashtag Win for the Crown. And now, to make it official, there you have it. A round of applause, everyone. Congratulations to Miss Winwin Marquez, our official candidate for Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. So now, kindly take this opportunity to take photos with our local director, Ms. Anna Macawas, together with Ms. Max Gue and Sir Paulo Arevalo. Again, let's use our official hashtag and let's make it trend. Luxurious Win for the Crown and hashtag Win for the Crown. Thank you so much. And now let's give a moment for Ms. Anna Macawas and our official candidate for Miss Universe Muntinlupa, Miss Winwin Marquez. All right. There you have it. And now I think it's time. Solid muna, yan. Okay. Congratulations. As your name says, win. Let's win the crown. Win-win. Alright, so now I think it's time to give the floor after the photo ops to Miss Winwin Marquez to share a few words for everyone. Once again, a round of applause for our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa official candidate, Miss Winwin Marquez.
Thank you so much. Wow, I am very overwhelmed right now. It's really nice to see familiar faces and new faces here from the press. You know, it's been 10 years, a decade, when I first joined my pageant back in 2015. And 8 years since I raised the flag in Bolivia. And now I am back here, more ready than ever, to stand on stage and represent Muntinlupa in the Miss Universe stage. Miss Universe Philippines stage. Maraming salamat po dahil naaalala niyo pa rin po ako kahit 10 years ago na po yun. And thank you. And I just want to say, of course, thank you to Miss Anna Macawas because if it wasn't for her, hindi po ako makakatayo dito ngayon. Hindi po ako makakasali. And of course, sa aking pinsan na nandito ngayon, si Michelle D, si MMD. She has been supportive from day one, since day one. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to gagawin kung hindi dahil sa kanya. She really gave me so much advice and I really look up to her. And sana hindi ko siya mapahiya. At hindi ko siya ipapahiya. And of course, to my family, my daughter is here also, and to my partner. At syempre sa representative din po ng Muntinlupa City, si Mr. Navarro is here. Again, sobrang saya ko po ngayon. Dahil makikita niyo po ulit ang Teresita sa Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Winwin. And now I think it's time to open the floor to our friends from the media and the bloggers to ask their questions. You may raise your hand for those who want to ask questions. And please do introduce yourselves. Anyone from this table?
Hi, baby.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great, dear. My name is Jay from Pageant Trend.
Yes.
It's nice to see you again in person. Okay, Win-Win, my first question for you is what made you decide to accept this opportunity?
You know, I'm someone who really takes on opportunities, especially when it feels right. And this moment is right for me. Kung na-feel ko na tamang panahon para sa akin, gagawin ko. And thanks to Miss Anna, thanks to the Miss Universe Philippines organization, and of course, the Miss Universe organization for opening it to all women, including us mothers. Kaya, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Sabi ko, yes, gawin na natin to dahil kailan pa ba ako magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng opportunity ulit?
Alright. When it comes to your walk, they said that a tornado walk. So for this Miss Universe Philippines, ano namang walk na tatawagin sa'yo?
Siyempre, depende na yun sa fans. I feel like I leave it to them to decide what kind of, or what they want to call the walk because Tornado Walk came from them. So I think they just have to wait and see what I'm going to do, and if I tell you, it won't be a surprise anymore.
Thank you so much, dear, and congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
po.
And I think we have a question from this table.
Hello, Win-Win.
Hello.
Welcome back.
I miss
and
you.
congratulations. Of course. Anyway, my question is, can you tell the difference between Win-Win now and Win-Win before mga 10 years ago?
To be honest, I am still the Win-Win that you know who is competitive. I am still the Win-Win who loves performing on stage. And if I tell you what's gonna be the difference, syempre the secret will be out there. But here's one thing that I want to assure you. If you thought that you have seen the best of me, you have to wait and see.
Follow-up question. Aside from yourself, who is your biggest influence in accepting the responsibility of representing Muntinlupa in Miss Universe Philippines?
Syempre, aside from my cousin, Michelle Marquez who is here, di ba? I think one person who really motivated me is of course my daughter. Because every time I see her, I see so much possibilities, I see so much positivity in life that everything can happen. And I want my daughter to see me as she grows up as someone who never gave up on a dream. And that's why, again, when this opportunity came, I grabbed it. And that's why I know that I'm gonna do my best every step of the way.
Wow. And finally, if you could give one important message to all of your co-candidates in Miss Universe Philippines, what would be?
Because of my experience, for me, this is not a competition. This is a sisterhood. So I'm very, very excited to meet every girl who is part of Miss Universe Philippines, to actually learn from them, because it doesn't mean that I've been in the pageant industry for 10 years. It doesn't mean that I've already won an international crown, that I know everything. I'm excited to learn from them. I'm excited to hear their stories and to actually apply it to myself as well. So good luck to them, and I hope that we have a bond that will last forever as well.
Ready nang mag-uwi.
Hi,
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi Win, congratulations being a part ng MU Philippines Manila. Yung tanong ko lang Win, did you imagine yourself na makakabalik ka pa sa pageant after nung maging mother?
When I decided to become a mother po kasi, sabi ko, baka hindi na ako makasali. I've always had that thought, sali pa kaya ako ulit? Ever since 2015. Pero parang hindi siya dumarating. I wasn't 110% lagi. So hindi ko siya natutuloy. So I said, I think I'll do the ultimate dream already of mine to become a mother and have my own family. So akala ko hindi na po. But the following year, I gave birth. Miss Universe organization opened its doors to all women, to mothers like me as well. And I took it as a sign na baka sabi ni Lord, gawin mo muna yung pinakagusto mong bagay para maging buo ka. Tapos ibibigyan kita ng door, ng opportunity para magawa mo yung talagang gusto mo pang gawin. Kaya ito po ako ngayon, isang mommy, isang nanay na lalaban sa Miss Universe Philippines.
What preparation din yung ginagawa mo ngayon para to win the crown as Miss Universe?
I've been training for about 2-3 months. And I think tough is an understatement. It hasn't been easy. Dahil iba na po ang pageantry ngayon compared to before. So I educated with myself kung how it is now, especially with social media, with everything that is different right now. Thanks again to my cousin who has been helping me. And to all the other queens who have joined Miss Universe Philippines has been helping me a lot. I've been training because I know that I want to give a performance that people will remember. And I'm ready to give that now.
My last question is, speaking of your cousin, Miss Shelby, tanong ko lang, sa dami ng advices na ibinigay niya sa'yo, ano yung tumatak at hindi mo malilimutan na pwede mong i-apply na para maging Miss Universe?
Nako, siya kasi perfectionist yan Siguro ang tumatak talaga sa akin is, if you really wanna join and if it's in your heart, do it. No matter the outcome is. Kasi pag nasa puso mo yung ginagawa mo, lalabas at mag-resonate sa ibang tao yun. And yun ang importante. You know, for me, it's not always about winning. It's also about trying. Because when you try, you will never have regrets in your life, and that is what's important.
Thank you, Win, for the win. Thank you.
Hi, Win, this is Pao. So nice to see you again.
Hello.
I'm so happy that you're finally back in the pageant industry. But Win, since you've joined 3 times on national stage, do you believe third time is a charm?
Yes. I want to say yes because I want to have a positive mindset. Because if I don't have that kind of mindset, it will affect me. So I want to believe that third try is a charm and a win-win situation for me.
I believe in you, Win.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi, Wayne. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How is motherhood contributing to your confidence now as a candidate?
You know, I've been very selfless already. The competition is not just about me. The difference before is, syempre, inisip ko yung sarili ko, how I'll do this, how I'll do that. Now, it's not just about me, it's about my daughter, it's about my family. It's about the advocacy that I want people to see. And motherhood is tough, as I said. But Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Universe organization has given us a platform to share our stories, to share my experiences. Kaya yung motherhood, makikita nyo kung gaano ako katapang ngayon. Makikita nyo kung gaano ako ka-ready. Because if you are beside someone who is whole, I don't think you can actually defeat that.
Thank you.
Hi Wayne, I'm MJ De Leon from Blitz PH. Just one question, because in the past editions of Miss Universe Philippines, we've seen, surprising results, hindi masyado na meeting expectations ng fans. But of course, pleasant surprises din yung iba. So nothing ever is really guaranteed, even for front runners. Your thoughts?
Again, it's not about winning.
Okay.
It's really not about winning. It's about how you are on stage, how you give your all on stage. We can never please everyone. You can never be promised of everything. But one thing that you can do is if you give your 110% on stage, that for you is already a win. And I think that's what others should think, that again, winning is not everything. Trying is more important. Because if you do not try and you fear failure more, well, you wouldn't learn, correct? So for me, I'm just gonna give it my all on stage and show everybody that I can do it. That's the best mindset ko.
Okay, thank you. Sundot ko lang ng konti. Because this is probably the biggest in terms of the number of delegates. They said baka aabot daw ng 80.
Wow.
Without name dropping a
Wow.
specific candidate, are you the type na tumitingin kung sino yung magiging biggest competitor mo? Again, without name dropping. If you want, you can also do it.
You know, I've been following a lot of pageant pages, so of course I have an idea who's going to join. But I don't really dwell on who is going to join. I see their faces, I know they're gonna join, but I'm not the type to stalk their pages or what they're gonna do. Because I also have my own strategies and I want to focus on that. I don't need to focus on other girls' strategies. And alam nyo, pag ganyan kasi, if you want to know, I'm excited for every girl, but I'm actually excited to see, of course, new girls because I haven't seen them perform. So, yun yung mga inaabangan ko, yung mga bagong candidates. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano sila gagalaw. So, I'm excited to see them once I meet them. Kasi doon ko sila ma-observe. I wouldn't observe them now. I want to see them firsthand.
Ayun, we're excited. Congratulations
Thank
and good
you.
luck.
Hi, Win. I'm Christian from The Crown
Yes,
Philippines. So, how do you feel about the fans giving you the badge of a Latina Slayer icon?
Grabe yung Latina Slayer. Alam niyo hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya. I don't know if I should be called a Latina Slayer, but thank you to all the fans who believe that I am. When I competed in a different pageant, for the first time that no other Filipina did pa, I just gave my all in. I just wanted to be Miss Philippines. I just wanted to give the best for my country. And I think nakita lang nila kung ano yung ginawa ko doon. And I'm very grateful for them. Kasi if wala sila, hindi din ako makakarating kung nasan ako.
Hello, Win.
Hello.
Magandang hapon.
Ayan.
Earlier this morning, the Miss Universe organization announced the host country, which is the Thailand, for the 74th Miss Universe pageant. Kumusta yung naramdaman mo? Nagkaroon ba ng extra spark and excitement?
Siyempre, it's an Asian country. It's very near to, here in the Philippines. Buong Pilipinas ata pwedeng pumunta doon pag may ilalaban tayo, correct? Hindi magpapatalo ang mga Pinoy. Spark in a way na sana, God willing, ako ang magre-represent ng Philippines sa Thailand.
And let's see and wait for that.
I hope.
We're excited for you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Win.
you, thank you.
Good luck.
Hi, Win. Good afternoon. I'm Gemma Saltero. Hi.
Hello po.
I have one question. If you could never see your reflection, your own reflection again, how would you define beauty?
This will sound cliche, but beauty is really subjective. It's really about how you carry yourself, how you present yourself with people, and how you treat people with kindness. And there is no one particular definition for beauty. It's really about how you uplift others, and that's what's important.
Thank you.
Hi, Win-Win. Hi, Nancy. Early bird ako kanina.
Oo nga, nagkagulatan tayo kanina sa
Yeah. So, last year nakita tayo sa isang local pageant and I asked you about if you're interested nga about returning sa pageantry. From the moment ba na you've heard about open na sa mga matters, yung Miss Universe, nagkaroon na ka kaagad ng moment na ay, sasali ako.
I would lie if I say no. Siyempre, that spark in me felt, alive again, that there's an opportunity, that mothers and all women are meant to be celebrated and to be seen. And sana pinag-pray ko, if this is meant for me, I hope there's an opportunity that will come. At dumating nga si Miss Anna. So,
Pahabol question, I'm interested about this question. Who's your favorite Miss Universe Philippines or Miss Universe?
no, I would say Pia. Pia Wurtzbach. She was my batchmate when she won Miss Universe. And Miss Universe Philippines as well. I've seen her, she is very down to earth. She's very real. And she, for me, is the epitome of never give up on your dreams. And dun ako sobrang galing na galing sa kanya. But more than that, even after a decade, she is still doing what she's doing with her advocacy. She is still promoting it. She has been making a difference here. And that is one thing that you will say that is a queen. Itutuloy niya kung saan siya naniniwala at yung gusto niya ipaglaban. And that is a woman through and through.
Irene Bernie from Eventology. Gusto niyo bang tumayo siya? Or...
Yes! Ay, ganun!
Tama, nasa gitna. Go kuya. Win-win. Why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I've grown into someone who now embodies strength, compassion, and competence. And I bring my unique experience to inspire other people and to prove that dreams do not have an expiration date. I want my daughter to see me as someone who chased after her dreams and never gave up on her dream. Yes, this might be a risk for me, but it's scarier and to live with the question of what if. That is why I am here. I also want people to understand that it is never too late to take a chance on yourself. That I do not just represent the crown. I represent the limitless potential of every individual. Thank you.
Alright, seems everyone's excited. I think, any more questions? You may raise your hand if you still have more questions. Again, please use our official hashtag, Luxurious, Win for the Crown, and Win for the Crown. On your photos and videos. And also, we are live on Facebook. On Miss Anna Macao's account. And I think with that, meron pa po tayong question?
Hello, Win. Last na lang.
Sorry.
Okay lang yan. I'm Sherman, and my question is, since nanalo ka na ng crown in 2017, a lot of fans are sabing, tama na, nanalo na yan. What's your message to them?
I do understand where they're coming from. I feel like they think that I have to prove myself once again. But it is not about proving myself. It is about chasing a dream of mine I had back in 2015. And I hope they do understand that even after a decade, I've brought my discipline here now that I am back. And I want them to see that this is a level playing field, a fair fight for everyone. And sana makita nila kung bakit ako sasali ulit. Thank you. Sorry, I just want to show you guys my daughter.
Luna is so beautiful.
This is my inspiration. This is why I am here now on stage, because I want everyone to see that even if you're a mother or if you are a certain age, that dreams will never stop. And this is about inspiring the next generation, inspiring all women that we are meant to be seen and we are meant to be celebrated.
For the wind. All right. So I think we're done with the question and answer. But by the way, we will give you more time for one-on-one interview with Miss Winwin Marquez. And at this point, we would like to request a photo with Miss Winwin together with our Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Miss Michelle Marquez D.
Message! Message!
All right. I think they can do the photo op. You can use our official hashtag luxurious win for the crown and hashtag win for the crown.
Slip ko na. Na-expose.
After, we will be hearing a message from Miss Michelle for her cousin.
Michelle, bigyan mo ng blessing si Winwin. Basbasa.
Bless. Yun.
So while I have the mic, while I have the mic for everybody here, this has been a very long time coming. I'm so excited that we're finally here. Winwin is not a hard woman to support. She has an amazing story. You have an amazing story. You have brought so much pride to the country, and you're just such an inspiration from the way you walk the talk. And I know that you're gonna take this whole journey by storm. When we first met about this topic, I really know that there was so much going on in your mind. But again, there's the beauty of uncertainty. There's the beauty in not knowing where the future will take you, and as long as you really, and I know that you have the best intentions, not just for your family or your friends, but really to bring pride to the country. I was saying this all morning that Winwin is the epitome of the modern day Filipina and the modern day Filipina mother as well. And I know that you're just going to shine the brightest. May destiny be in your favor, and I know whatever happens, happens for a reason. Again, I'm just so happy that you're here. I'm so happy that you're giving it your all, and I know that it's going to take you really, really far. The universe deserves to hear Winwin's story. They deserve to see how much potential she has, and I'm just so, so excited for this journey. Kaya, congratulations in advance. I'm so glad that you're here, and I know you're gonna make your mark.
A round of applause for Miss Michelle Marquez. And again, please use our official hashtag.
Andito kasi yung slit.
Hashtag luxurious win for the crown and hashtag win for the crown. Then after, we will now officially start the one-on-one interview with our friends from the media, but of course, and let's hear it once again from Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa, local director Miss Anna Magcawas.
Well, syempre hindi ulit ako prepared. Pero yung sasabihin ko ay galing sa puso ko. Sabi nga ni Win, wala siya ngayon dito if it's not for us. But, nung nasabi sa akin na the candidate is Winwin, nandun sa mind ko na, ay, may connection eh. Kasi, kung hindi niyo po alam, matagal na kami magkakilala, 7 years ago. She's my client in one of my business. in one of my businesses, the bag era pa. Sa panahon pa na nagbabags ako, nagla-live selling ako ng bags, isa na si Winwin sa client ko before. Hinanap ko pa yung pictures namin kagabi, na-post ko siya last night, and sabi niya, na-touch siya. Sabi niya, oh, nahanap ko pa yung picture natin. Nakasave lang yun sa phone ko. And ang galing lang kasi, di ba, parang nag-align ng stars and universe na magtagpo ulit tayo sa tamang panahon. And may purpose yun. So yung purpose na yun is, of course, again, syempre, to inspire many. And subukan nating abutin yung pangarap mo. Baka ito na yun. We love you.
A round of applause for Ms. Ana Magkawas. And now let's have a photo up with our MUPH Muntinlupa local director. And now as we come to the end of this memorable event, again, we want to thank each one of you for your time, your support, and for sharing in this very special moment. And let us also acknowledge, of course, and recognize Ms. Jessica De Mesa, the co-founder and CEO of Kindred, for her support to Ms. Winwin Marquez. And now, the journey for our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa has only just begun, and we look forward to what lies ahead. Once again, let's continue to support her as we move forward in our aspirations and dreams. And again, please do not forget to use our official hashtag Luxurious Win for the Crown and hashtag Win for the Crown. So now we will be opening the floor for our